I would like to take this message to the next step, or next level. Marketing strategy. Did that change with COVID?
Yes, so definitely we had changes in our marketing strategy. There in a number of different ways. We needed to adjust the way that we were reaching our clients. We needed to adjust the way that our clients were viewing properties, the way that they were looking for them. So we really doubled down on things like Compass Coming Soon, so that we could give visibility early and test the market in a different way than we were prior to COVID. We also leaned really heavily into the importance of high-level photography and floor plans and walkthroughs so that somebody could experience the property from their computer in the way that you would in a normal open house setting that you couldn't experience during COVID. So that all of that strategy needed to change as well. And even down to the nitty-gritty of the levels of where do you put the order of the pictures, for instance, and what is the message that you're sending for each property had to be evolved a bit to adapt to a non-human contact world.
Exactly. That is fabulous. And you were very quick to pick it up and change and do what you have to do to adjust. And your agents were able to go with the flow and adjust to the situation as well.
Yeah, we're really fortunate. All of our agents are very, very entrepreneurial in nature to begin with. They're all their own business owners, obviously, but by being at Compass, it allows us to move very fast and be agile, and they come along so quickly because they're asking us for it. So everything that we adjusted for marketing, creating virtual services, etc., on their behalf was because they asked for it.
Oh, that is great.
Yeah, it's exciting.